Hello everyone, welcome to our 8th Kotlin tutorial, and this is Aisha Tariq, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about Kotlin operators. So now in Kotlin, operators are the special symbols that are used to perform some specific operation, and behind this symbol there is some internal working. Now in this tutorial I'll demonstrate what that internal working is. So now first of all I'm going to create a variable num1 using the keyword var and then colon, and then the data type, which is int, and then any value, for example 12. So now in this tutorial I'm going to create a simple calculator which will perform the arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations in Kotlin programming language are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Now I'm going to create another variable num2 of integer type which has a value 4. Now this is an assignment operator which assigns a value to our variable. So 12 is assigned to our variable num1. We have used the assignment operator, which is the equal sign. Now I am going to create another variable answer which will store the result of our arithmetic operations. So this answer variable equals, first of all I am going to create the addition num1 plus num2. So now this num1 plus num2 means this plus operator actually calls a function internally, and this internal function is num1, the dot separator, plus operator. So this plus is a function which is called by this plus operator, and then in the parameters we will have num2. So now num1 will be added to num2, and if you write this statement instead of num1 plus num2, the result will be same. So this is the internal working of the plus operator. Similarly, if I use the minus operator here, then we have the minus function 2 and so on. Now I am going to use the print line statement to print the result of our addition. Addition equals the dollar symbol and the variable name. So now the result or the value of this operation will be printed on the output screen. Now again, answer equals num1 minus num2, and then print line function subtraction equals the dollar symbol and answer. So now this dollar symbol is used here because we are printing a message, and with the message, if you want to print a value of a variable with a message, you have to use the dollar symbol inside these quotation marks. Now I'm going to copy this and paste. So now here now answer equals num1 multiply 1 num2, and then we will print multiplication equals our answer. Then we will have answer, or I will paste it here. We have addition, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, and then we have our division. So division equals our answer, and again I am pasting it, and then we will have mod. So this mod will return the remainder after the division of these numbers. So now we have the first number 12 and the second number is 4. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So we have no remainder. Remainder equals 0. So now in the variable answer 0 will be stored. Now if I run debug, and it's taking a little bit long. And we have the result here, which on the output stream. So now the result is addition equals 16. This is because 12 plus 4 equals 16, so addition equals 16. 12 minus 4 equals 8, so 8 is printed. 12 into 4 equals 48, so 48 is printed, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3, so 3 is printed. And then here we have subtraction. This is because we didn't change the message So I'm going to write modulus or mod. So now mod equals 0 because 12 divided by 4 equals 3 and there is no remainder, so remainder equals 0 and it is printed on the output stream. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video and I'll see you in the next tutorial.